Sending Polkadot to Subwallet is straightforward. Subwallet is a Polkadot ecosystem wallet designed to manage DOT and other assets on the Polkadot network. Here's how to do it. Setting up Subwallet. Install Subwallet. Download and install the Subwallet app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Alternatively, you can use the Subwallet browser extension available for Chrome and Firefox. Create or import account. Open Subwallet and create a new wallet or import an existing Polkadot account by using your seed phrase or private key. Sending Polkadot to Subwallet. Obtain Subwallet address. Open Subwallet and navigate to the Receive section. Copy your Subwallet dot address. Initiate transfer from existing wallet. Open the wallet or exchange where your DOT tokens are currently held. Navigate to the Send or Withdraw section. Enter transfer details. Paste your Subwallet dot address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of DOT you wish to transfer. Ensure you leave some DOT in your sending wallet to cover transaction fees. Confirm and send. Review the transaction details carefully. Confirm and authorize the transfer. Depending on the platform, you may need to enter a password or use a hardware wallet to confirm. Verify transfer. Once the transaction is confirmed, open Subwallet to verify that the DOT tokens have arrived.